Okay, so let's get started with getting this screen recording done on PowerPoint. So I'm using PowerPoint 365 as part of Office 365. And so if you want to do a screen recording and insert it in, I'm just going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to start with a brand new PowerPoint and go to a blank presentation. So you could have an existing presentation or you can start with a blank one. And if you want to do a screen recording, I'm going to show you how that works. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Insert, and then you can see I've got several options here, but it's the right hand one that I want, Screen Recording. So I'm just going to click on Screen Recording, and it's going to have several options here. You get this little toolbar here, and basically it's got 5 options. So the first thing I want to do is just for a second I'm going to pin that to the screen. Okay, so I'm just going to pin that just so it doesn't disappear, and then I'm going to do select area. So I want this whole screen to be recorded, because what I'm going to just demo is how to get up my YouTube site. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm holding down the left key, and once I've done that, you can see it's got the record option. Okay, now it's also going to ask me whether I want to record the audio. So if it's grey, it means it will, and if it's not grey, I can click on it and you can see it turns back white. So I'm going to click on grey. That's going to record from the standard microphone input you've got on your Windows system. And then record pointer is whether the mouse pointer gets recorded or whether that just disappears. So normally it's a good idea to have that on. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to unpin this so that it doesn't show up in the recording, and then I'm going to click record. So you can see Windows key, Shift and Q will bring that menu back, which is kind of useful. So now it's recording. So obviously what I'm going to do is I'm now going to do my demonstration. So here I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to type in show me tech tips, which of course is the name of the channel, and then I'm going to click on the channel name here, and there you can see my videos. So now that I want to stop the recording, because at the moment it's still recording the PowerPoint, I can either go to the top of the screen. Now you can see when the bar comes to the top, those options come back on screen. Okay, but it's possible that I don't want that to show on my video. So what I could do instead is press Windows, Shift and Q. And you saw when I pressed that combination that it inserted the video in. So now I've got a video inserted. You can see it's taking up the slide. I can do the normal things. I can resize it. I can do anything you would normally expect. And I'm just doing a quick play, and so you can see it working. So now it's recording. So obviously what I'm going to do is I'm now going to... So you can see there it recorded the video, and of course I'm recording a video, so it's slightly strange. But then I can use that, that's embedded into my PowerPoint, and I can save as you would normally save, create other slides to go along with it. So it's a nice little trick. It saves you getting separate software. Obviously it's quite a basic recorder. So obviously you just want to make sure that you've got everything set up that you want to record, but it does do a reasonable job at showing you a screen and how to record it. Hopefully you found that helpful. This is Phil and Show Me Tech Tips, and if you found this useful, please feel free to comment below and subscribe, like and click the notification bell to get more of my tech tips.